हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फार्माटेक कॉम्पिटिटिव। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे 30 एमसीक्यूज बेस्ड ऑन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमंस। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये एमसीक्यूज आपके लिए एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है। सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Which one of the following sugars in a semen is a source of energy for spermatozoa? Option 1 sucrose, option 2 fructose, option 3 glucose, option 4 galactose. The correct answer is option 2 fructose. Sugar fructose is present in the secretion of option 1 seminal vesicles, option 2 Cowper's gland, option 3 perineal gland, option 4 Bartholin's gland. And the correct answer is option 1 seminal vesicles. Semen contains all the following except first mucus, second option fructose, third option substances to reduce the pH of vaginal environment, option 4 substances to increase the motility of uterine muscles. The correct answer is option 3 substances to reduce the pH of vaginal environment. At what speed a human sperm moves in a female genital tract? Option 1 3 mm per minute, option 2 10 mm per minute, option 3 15 mm per minute, option 4 20 mm per minute. The correct answer is option 1 3 mm per minute. Match the following: A. Inguinal canal for descending of testes, B. Reti testis, network of channels after the seminiferous tubules, C. Leydig cells secondary sexual characters, D. Prepause terminal skin of penis, E. Corpora cavernosa dorsal bundles of spongy tissues. So the option 4 A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 5, E is equal to 4 is correct. In Graafian follicle, first eggs are fertilized, second there are many oocytes, option 3 there are many sperms, option 4 there is a single oocyte. The correct answer is there is a single oocyte. Cumulus covers option 1 ovum, option 2 ovary, option 3 embryo, option 4 all of these. The correct answer is option 1 ovum. Antrum is the cavity of option 1 ovary, option 2 blastula, option 3 gastrula, option 4 Graafian follicle. The correct answer is option 4 Graafian follicle. A glycoprotein non-cellular membrane which normally surrounds the ovum of a mammal. Option 1 corona radiata, option 2 jelly envelope, option 3 zona pellucida, option 4 granulosa membrane. The correct answer is option 3 zona pellucida. Ovulation occurs under the influence of option 1 LH, option 2 estrogens, option 3 FSH, option 4 progesterone. The correct answer is option 1 LH. Which one holds corona radiata cells together? Option 1 lipoprotein, option 2 liposaccharide, option 3 oligosaccharide, option 4 mycopolysaccharide. The correct answer is option 4 mycopolysaccharide. Which one is the correct sequence of layers in the mammalian egg from outside to inside? Option 1 zona pellucida, corona radiata, plasma membrane. Option 2, corona radiata, zona pellucida, plasma membrane. Option 3, plasma membrane, zona pellucida, corona radiata. Option 4, none of these. The correct answer is option 2, corona radiata, zona pellucida, plasma membrane. When is the progesterone mainly secreted? First, after ovulation. Second, after parturition. Third, before ovulation. Fourth, at the time of parturition. The correct answer is option 1, after ovulation. The mammalian corpus luteum produces option 1, FSH, option 2, progesterone, option 3, luteinizing hormone, option 4, HCG. The correct answer is option 2, progesterone. Which one of the following statement is correct? Option 1, corpus luteum changes into corpus albaceans. Option 2, corpus luteum degenerates after fertilization. Option 3, corpus luteum grows throughout the pregnancy. Option 4, corpus luteum is not formed during the pregnancy. And the correct answer is option 1, corpus luteum changes into corpus albicans. Both corpus luteum and macula lutea are option 1, source of hormones, option 2, found in human ovaries, option 3, characterized by a yellow color, option 4, contributory in maintaining pregnancy. And the correct answer is option 3, characterized by yellow color. Expanded proximal part of oviduct is option 1, uterus, option 2, isthmus, option 3, vestibule, option 4, fimbriated funnel. The correct answer is option 4, fimbriated funnel. Mark the series with odd. Option 1, endometrium, Graafian follicle, polar body. Option 2, spermatocyte, prostate, spermatid, acrosome. Option 3, ovaries, vagina, Bartholin's gland, corpus luteum. Option 4, vas deferens, fallopian tube, epididymis, and Cowper's gland. The correct answer is option 4, vas deferens, fallopian tube, epididymis, and Cowper's gland. The cellular layer which degenerates and regenerates again and again in human is option 1, dermis of skin, option 2, cornea of eye, option 3, endometrium of uterus, option 4, endothelium of blood vessel. And the correct answer is option 3, that is endometrium of uterus. Which one of the following is out of place? Option 1, ureter, option 2, vagina, option 3, uterus, option 4, oviduct. The correct answer is option 1, ureter. Bartholin's gland occurs in option 1, males and forms liquid part of semen, option 2, females and help in vestibular lubrication, option 3, males and produces alkaline fluid neutralizing urethral acidity, option 4, females and produce estrogen for regulation of secondary sexual characters. The correct answer is option 2, that is females and help in vestibular lubrication. Bartholin glands in female correspond to which glands in male? Option 1 rectal glands, Option 2 inguinal glands, Option 3 prostate gland, Option 4 Cowper's gland. The correct answer is Option 4 Cowper's gland. Vaginal orifice and urethral orifice opens into Option 1 cervix, Option 2 vulva, Option 3 labia majora, Option 4 labia minora. The correct answer is Option 2 vulva. Labium majora of female mammal is homologous to Option 1 scrotal sacs, Option 2 prostate gland, Option 3 epididymis, Option 4 seminal vesicle. The correct answer is Option 1 scrotal sac. Which one of the following is unpaired in a mammal? Option 1 ovary, Option 2 clitoris, Option 3 fallopian tube, Option 4 Cowper's gland. The correct answer is Option 2 clitoris. The phase of menstrual cycle in humans that lasts for 3 to 4 days is Option 1 luteal phase, Option 2 menstruation, Option 3 ovulatory phase, Option 4 follicle phase. The correct answer is Option 2 menstruation. Ovary secrete large quantity of estrogen during Option 1 menopause, Option 2 lactation, Option 3 pre-ovulatory period, Option 4 menstrual phase. And the correct answer is Option 3 pre-ovulatory phase. Which of the following hormones is active during proliferative phase of menstrual cycle? Option 1 estrogen, Option 2 progesterone, Option 3 testosterone, Option 4 all of these. The correct answer is Option 1 estrogen. Progesterone hormone is active during Option 1 follicular phase, Option 2 secretory phase, Option 3 menstrual phase, Option 4 proliferative phase. The correct answer is Option 2 secretory phase. In the absence of pregnancy, carpus luteum, Option 1 degenerates after some time, Option 2 is maintained by progesterone, Option 3 becomes active and secrete FSH and LH, Option 4 produces a lot of oxytocin and relaxin. The correct answer is Option 1 degenerates after some time.